Alright, y'all, we back with another episode. Holy Designer in the building with Clothing School 101. I'm back. Y'all watched my last episode. Y'all saw the design I did on the last t-shirt. It's the new one with the big angel, the big demon, the holy war glitter shined up in the middle. So, yeah, got my setup right, y'all. Got some ring lights, so we got better light. You can see everything a little better. So, yeah. Alright, stay tuned. It's part one. Today, I'm probably just gonna do a hoodie. I got this hoodie, and I did end up getting some beanies. I got some beanies from my vendor, so I might go ahead and whip up a beanie for y'all. But let's go ahead. We did the black one last time. This is a green hoodie right here, so y'all know we still doing the dark colors. Still got the same peel off the back and all that. So yeah, let's get right into it. Go ahead and whip it up. Y'all know step 2, once you place your garment down, step 2, go ahead and peel. Y'all know, I've been told you in the last one. Okay, make sure you get everything. Yeah, don't leave anything attached, because you will be disappointed. You'll be an unhappy camper. So yeah, let's do it. Everything taken off. I'm actually having a lot of fun making these little videos, you know, man. It's cool to make these. I'm seeing who tapping in on the feedback, who, you know. So I'm gonna just keep going with these. I make clothes like every day, y'all, so I can make like a video every day on this. But let's just see how it does. So that's how I'm gonna do the angel right there. Alright, cool. Alright, place your parchment paper down, y'all know. Okay. I know how I like to do it. I like to cover the whole thing. I don't want to accidentally burn, you know, all this looking crazy. I gotta make sure my customers the flyest in the round. I mean, in the y'all know what I'm trying to say, man. The flyest in the city, flyest in the room, whatever. Gotta make sure. It's early. I just woke up. All right, let's do it. Yeah, today's episode: green hoodie, holy war. Let's do it. The press is warming up now. Y'all hear it? Yup. Stay tuned. I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I gave it a second to warm up. Pretty close now. It's not fully heated, but it's close enough. I'm gonna go on ahead and hit this with a press before it's fully heated, so it can just stay in place. So we're gonna go ahead and give this about 5 seconds. I'm not gonna do anything major. Now when pressing, this hoodie is cotton and a polyester blend. So when pressing down garments like that material, you can do around like 330. I usually set my press at about 330 degrees Fahrenheit when doing polyester and cotton blends. If it's 100% cotton, it'll take around like 385, 400 degrees, you know. Yep. So I'm just giving y'all that right quick. These are Avery dark heat transfers I'm using. If you want a more in-depth, that sucks. If you want a more in-depth review, in-depth video, with explanation and all that I did, go check out my last video. How to make shirts and hoodies, step-by-step process. This one is just me, early morning, waking up. I really like how that hoodie came out, so let me try out some other colors. I stopped by my vendor yesterday, was able to grab a couple of hoodies, but they didn't have black. I did black last time. They had green this time, so I'm like, let's try it out on the green one, man, you know. And I'll show YouTube, and hey, maybe this will be my niche, you know, just whipping up clothes, putting them on. I'm supposed to be showing y'all. I apologize. So yeah, you peel off. I forgot to show you. Peel off the back end. Avery dark print sheets, like I said. Check it out. Oh. So yeah, you peel it off. Just like that. Uh-oh. Oh no, I'm good. I thought I was ripping it. Hold on. Yo, I'm really playing mind games on myself right now. Yeah, I am ripping it. Okay, okay. Alright, cool. So yeah, you gotta be careful. Make sure you don't accidentally rip too fast and rip a piece of your design off. Never want to do that. Alright, cool. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna set my phone back up for Instagram Live. Y'all had it on had Instagram Live going as well. So this is what it looks like when you peel all your backing off. Now it's time to place that. Y'all hear the heat press clicking and all that. That means it's letting me know that it's time to go. So let's see. I'm gonna have to adjust the hoodie. Let's see. It's us. Let's do this. Alright, here we go. Alright, y'all see, you cover up your work, cover up your design. You don't wanna melt it to the shirt or burn it up and then. Y'all know how I do. I cover up the whole garment when I press it. Here we go. So we did this one, onto this one, and then it's the good part. Set your heat press for this. Like I said, it's a cotton polyester blend. I'm gonna give it about 10-15 seconds. Somewhere in between, maybe 12. Take it off. Okay. About 13. Take it off. Give it a second to cool, y'all. You don't wanna. Never rush. Never rush. We selling these, so the product gotta be the best for the customer, for the consumer. Never rush. Give it a second. You know. Shout out my live. Appreciate y'all. So, yeah. Give it a second to cool off. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all though. I'm gonna try this at home, kids. Okay. That platinum so you can see it's not going anywhere. We're good. Next step. Like I said, this is just like a little quick, brief run through little video. If you want the full in-depth, full process video, you're gonna have to just watch my last one. I did a full review, in-store reviews of everything, all the products I use. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man, and watch that one if you want to learn. For real, this just something quick. So yeah, I like this part a lot because it's the bling bling, y'all. So y'all know I'm gonna speed this part of the video up. But what you do is come through, get your, see what I'm saying, these iron-ons for your information. I'm really putting y'all down so hard. I'm working. For real. Go ask around. They know me. Y'all see the placement. Yeah. Stay tuned now. Matter of fact, let me flip this camera around so y'all can see. I'm going to show Instagram Live. Because I'm on live simultaneously, y'all, trying to double up. So, I'm going to show live what I'm working with. Alright, Instagram Live is upside down. So, flip your phone around. But, y'all see what I'm going for. Yeah, Holy Season podcast. Podcast, man. I don't know if I want to be a podcaster, a straight up YouTuber or what, man. But yeah, this looking real good. This looking really good. Thanks everybody for tapping in, tuning in, watching me work. Y'all motivating me to make more and more products, come up with new ideas. Y'all never gonna get bored with my brand. I'm gonna always have something new. And go subscribe to the channel now if you're local. Subscribe to my YouTube, watch some videos, you know. I'll go ahead and I'll throw y'all a free t-shirt. Anybody local, you in Covington, around Covington, you know about me, know where I do my thing. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Watch a couple videos, leave some comments. I'll give you a free shirt. For real. Yeah, it's looking amazing. I'm rocking with it. I should have got some spray. Next video is a tutorial on the glitter spray. I'm either going to do a glitter spray tutorial or what was it? I had another idea to do something. I can't remember what it was. Oh, I'm going to make my dog a shirt. I'm going to make custom dog clothes. Yeah, make my dog something. Okay, so let's see. This is what I got right here, but I'm not really digging it. It don't look bad on camera though, I'm not gonna lie. It look pretty good on that camera right there, man. So, let's see. Might just go on ahead like this, as is. Look pretty decent. Alright, y'all, we back. Right now, can y'all see that? The hats. Yeah. Skull cap beanies. Got them from my vendor yesterday. Just gonna play around, not gonna do anything super major to them right now. But I just kind of wanted to get in there. Maybe make me one to advertise where around. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, yeah, we back. I got my 3-pack of hoodies. I mean, not hoodies, now here I go tripping already. Skull cap, beanies, whatever you like to call it. Yeah, so I'm going ahead and cut it. We can get started right now. I'm not about to go, not about to do anything too crazy with these. You know, I just happened to get a good deal from my vendor. Should I say the price? I'll say the price in the video. I got 3 of these for $8. So, pretty good price. You know, I'll probably sell them 10 a piece or 15 a piece or something. But I'm probably going to make one for myself, though, right quick. So, y'all see, standard black hat. Feels really good. The quality is really good. I don't think the camera is showing y'all the quality. But, man, this is a really, for like a skull cap, this not the gas station one. This the real quality one right here. Like the gas station one, you know. This one, not the Dollar Tree joint, I promise y'all. So, yeah, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead. Might play around. Went in Hobby Lobby yesterday. I'm giving y'all real gems. And got these. So I'm thinking I might go white letters. Show my live too. I got the white letters. What else? I do got more. Let me see. I have a couple more. No, none of this gonna work. Oh, I had letters whole time, bro. I can do all of these. Dang, I ain't even realize I had all my. Man, y'all look, man. I got the whole load out at home. I thought I didn't even. I thought I was underprepared, man. I got everything right here, man. I got the lightning. Ooh, that look good on that camera. Y'all see that? That hologram joint. Ooh, yeah, that joint look good. Yeah. So we can experiment. Let's see. We can experiment. Should I go smiley face on the hat? Let's experiment, y'all. Let's just experiment. See, y'all got me wanting to. Let me see. Yeah, y'all got me wanting to try something out. I mean, shoot, no skin off my teeth. Even if these come out ugly or whatever, man, shoot. We the t-shirt, man. Go ahead and whip these up right quick. Sorry, YouTube. I'm trying to be on Instagram Live and YouTube at the same time. Cannot. But, yeah, I'm thinking, man. I'm really about to experiment. I got 3 hats right here. I guess we can experiment. Let's see. I'll see the HOLY. I'm gonna just go ahead and be quick. Throw this on. Let me see. Should I flip this so y'all can see? Let me go ahead. Throw it up there so. Oop. I'm trying in the way. My bad, y'all. Okay, cool. Do it up there so live can see too. So let's go ahead. I'm just thinking something simple, y'all. You know? Something just pretty simple. Oh, we can't even see. Sorry. Okay, cool. There you go. For YouTube, we gotta push it up a little bit. Alright, cool. So something simple. That's tough, though. I ain't gonna lie. This look really tough, though. Simple. I was thinking it was gonna be kind of ugly. This joint really tough. Alright, cool. Oh, yeah, I'm rocking with it. Already. HOLY. Gotta line it up. You can see the little fake, like, invisible little center. And it's mine a little off center. So I'm gonna line it up right quick. Let's see. HOLY. Oh, yeah. I wanna throw, man. I don't got like my little. I usually have like a little bird or something, little rose or something I could throw over the O, but it's okay. It's like my security, like just bold letter. They know. Yeah, holy crew in the building. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna definitely speed this part of the video up. So let's see. HOL, too tough. Too tough. I could sell it as is, just like that. No cap. As is, man. This joint is tough. Rocking with it. Yep, y'all see, Holy Season. Y'all can read that. Holy War. Yeah. Alright, cool. Here we go. So I'm going ahead. Make sure when you're pressing hats, push your platinum so y'all can see. These really don't take much heat at all. So let me lower this. You could do this like if it was just straight polyester. I'll give a hat about, I'm gonna say for YouTube, just in case some pro shirt makers, pro clothing guys watching this, I'm gonna say 285, 290, but they'll probably say 300. But I'll go low because you don't want to burn it. I remember way back when I used to make skull caps, I did something like, I had the gas station one though, and I did this, and I remember I tried to throw it on and it had it all shriveled up. It couldn't stretch out anymore. So you got to just be real careful with your placement, with how you're doing it. I really might even go like this on them. Do it that way. Nah, I might be better off the other way. Okay, just trying to experiment, y'all. You know, we learning together. Holy season, holiday season, we in the building. Yeah, man, that's all it is too. It's just a little learning process. Shoot, if I can teach y'all what I know, you gonna make $1 million with it. Just send me 10 racks. That's all I need. I'm messing with you. If you make that million, man, just go make the people in your community prosper. Help your community out, you know? Alright, cool. What's my joint at? See, thought I lowered my temperature. This joint taking its time. Alright, y'all. I was trying to lower the temperature and all that, but it's taking too long, man. For the sake of the video, if I burn the hoodie, I mean the hat. I keep saying that. If I burn the hat, oh well, man. Alright, let's see. Be quick, because it's at 320. I'm assuming. Let me check what this is. See, I need to stop just winging it. Ooh, y'all look at the inside of this hat, man. Can y'all see that? Chinchilla fur. Dang. Yeah, I ain't even about to check the tag no more. Let me just go. I think it can take 300. Hey, chinchilla. Okay, I thought they were taxing me for this hat. I see why. I'm about to throw this right on, y'all. Alright, cool. So, hit the press. My press is at 315. I'm gonna give it 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Alright, I lied. That's about 10. But let's see. Let's see. Is it in there? Y'all be the judge now. I think we good to go. I might just give it one more just to be safe press. Y'all know. Alright, y'all. So I was having technical difficulties, man. My SD card filled up. I forgot to make space before I started shooting, man. But these are the hats. This is how they ended up turning out. I made 3 of them, all 3. Did the smiley face, like I said. But this is how they came out. Y'all let me know what you think. And also, this is the hoodie right here. Let y'all see how that came out as well. So, yeah, this has been another episode of Cooking with Holy. So, y'all let me know what you think. Was it good? Leave comments. Let me know. It's the real one. Checking out that way.